Hello everybody, Namaskar. In present day world, it's very important that we must learn foreign languages and particularly English. But unfortunately, we are not learning English the way it should be learned. I want to talk to you today about the best way to learn English about. I will not say anything from my own, but what I am presenting before you are some quotes from one from the UNESCO study, United Nations Agency for Education, Science and Culture and Languages, and other is from British Council. You know, British Council is the official agency of British government to teach English worldwide and to facilitate in teaching English worldwide. And that will show you what is the best way to learn, go about learning English. First quotation is from UNESCO. This book was published in 2008 and this study was conducted in 12 countries from 5 continents, and this money for this was given by the World Bank. And what does this say? This is I present before you. It says, what seems to be standing in our way is a set of myths about language and learning. And these myths must be revealed as such to open people's eyes. One such myth is that the best way to learn a foreign language is to use it as a medium of instruction. In fact, it is often more effective to learn additional languages as subjects of study. Another is that to learn a foreign language, you must start as early as possible. Starting early might help learners to have a nice accent, but otherwise, the advantage goes to learners who have a well-developed first language, that is mother tongue. A third is that the home language gets in the way of learning a foreign language. Building a strong foundation in the first language results in a better learning of additional languages. Clearly, these myths are more false than true, yet they guide the way policymakers tend to think about how speakers of other languages must learn dominant or official languages. This quotation, what I stated, is from UNESCO book. The name of the book is Improving the Quality of Mother Tongue Based Literacy and Learning, and this was published in 2008, and this was from page 2. Another quotation is from British Council book. This quotation says, there is little or no evidence to support the widely held view that English as medium of instruction is a better or surer way to attain fluency in English than via quality English as subject. Expert estimates are that it takes pupils 6 to 8 years to develop the cognitive and academic language proficiency needed to support learning across the curriculum. A move to EMI in or just after lower primary, commonly found in South Asia and Sub-Saharan Africa, yields too shallow a foundation of English to sustain learning across the curriculum from the upper primary years onwards. Early introduction of English as medium of instruction is thus viewed as impairing learning in the formative years and limiting educational attainment. I also want to share with you that recently there was an MIT study, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, which is the #1 research institute in the world. This study says if you learn a foreign language after 15 or 20 years of your age, you will learn quicker and better. So children learn later compared to the adults. So that shows, dear ones, that in India we are not learning English the way it should be learned. I request you all to reflect upon this, and also request you all to share this information with as many people as you can. That will be good for learning English, that will be good for our mother tongues. And you can contact me. My name is Professor Joga Singh. I am a retired linguist from Punjab University, Patiala. I am on Facebook, Joga Singh Virak, and then you can find me out on the web, and you can contact me further for more information on the issues related to language. Thank you very much. Namaskar.